can't hate the same thing you want and you think you're going to succeed. It's not going to happen. I noticed that, in a couple of people, I'll be like, man, I wonder why this person haven't got over the hump. I mean, it seems like they should be there. And then I realized after talking to them, or after being around them, or after just observing them for a while, that they tend to hate certain situations or hate certain people for already being there, or feeling someone should do something for them because of what they've been put in over the years. But the reality of it is, we can give a person our whole 100%, and they might not never even say thank you. So it doesn't mean that you didn't do anything wrong, but that person is what it is. So you can't base your growth off on someone else's actions. You have to base it off your own actions. What did you do when it's all said and done? So you can't hate what you want and expect to get there. Hold on.